Let's see in this video how to create HSN codes and SAC codes with GST rates. HSN code is the harmonized system of nomenclature. It is a standardized number used to classify products. It helps the system determine the correct GST rate for each product and ensures accurate billing and reporting. SAC code stands for Service Accounting Code. It is a unique number used to classify services. It helps the system apply the correct GST rate for services and ensures accurate invoicing. Let's take one HSN and SAC code with rates. HSN code 87140000. Name Bicycle Pod. HSN rate 12%. SAC code 99651100. Name Fried Charges. Tax rate 5%. Let's log in with the username and password of the creator's login to create the HSN and SAC codes with tax rates. Click on the Login button. Click on Financials and then Setup. Navigate to the HSN code/rate screen. Click on the Add button to create a new HSN and SAC code. Primary HSN code. This is the main code assigned to a product or service. Duplicates are allowed in the primary feed because multiple items or services can share the main HSN or SAC code. Enter the primary HSN code manually. Secondary HSN or SAC code. This will be updated automatically. The secondary HSN or SAC code can be changed if required. This is an additional or alternative code for a product or service. Duplicate codes are not allowed in the secondary feed. This ensures that each secondary code is unique and helps handle cases where the tax rate for the same HSN or SAC code may differ. Code type. Two options are available: HSN and SAC. Enter the HSN or SAC description manually. The short description will be updated automatically. In input type, the options available are Input, Input Service, Capital Goods, Ineligible. Once updated, click on the Save button. The HSN code will be activated. Click on Add to create the SAC code. The secondary HSN or SAC code will be updated automatically. In code type, select SAC. Enter the HSN or SAC description manually. The short description will be updated automatically. Click on the Save button. Click on Activate to activate the SAC code. Next, GST rates. GST rates are the percentages of tax applied on goods or services. They determine how much tax a customer pays when purchasing a product or service. Click on the Add button to create an HSN or SAC code. Click the Add button to create GST rates. Choose the HSN code. The HSN description will be updated automatically. The code type will be updated automatically. Enter the IGST rates. Based on the IGST rates, CGST, SGST, and UTGST will be updated automatically. If required, enter the GST CFSS rate manually. Enter the from date and to date of the GST rates. Click on the Save button. To activate the GST rates, click on Activate. Click OK. The GST rates will be activated. Click on the Add button to create SAC rates. Once the HSN/SAC code has been chosen, the HSN/SAC description will be updated automatically. The code type will be updated automatically as SAC. Enter the IGST rates. CGST, SGST, and UTGST rates will be updated automatically. The GST CSS must be entered manually, and also the CSS rate should be entered manually. Enter the date from and date to. Click on the Save button. To activate the GST rates, click on Activate. Click OK. The GST rates will be activated. Click on GST Revise. When the government changes GST rates, the system allows updating the rate for the affected product or service using GST Revise. Enter the new GST rate. The IGST rate must be updated. CGST, SGST, and UTGST will be updated automatically. Enter the GST CFSS rate manually. Choose the date from and date to with the rate should be effective. Click on the Save button. To activate the revised GST rates, click on the Activate button. Click OK. The GST rate will be activated. Next, RCM category. RCM, Reverse Charge Mechanism, is a GST provision where the recipient of goods or services is liable to pay the tax instead of the supplier. Click on the Add button. Enter the RCM category manually. Click on Save. The RCM category will be activated. Thank you for watching this video.